In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Chrome link. By the end, you'll know the simplest, most reliable way to grab a web page's address and get it ready to send anywhere you need. First, open Google Chrome. Make sure you're actually in Chrome and not another browser, since menus can look similar but behave differently. If you keep multiple browsers on your device, look for the circular Chrome icon. If Chrome prompts you to update, it's a good idea to do that so the menu options match what you'll see here. Next, go to the page you want to share. You can type the web address directly or search and click through to the exact article, product, or document you have in mind. Give the page a moment to load completely so the address reflects what you're viewing. It helps to glance at the top to confirm the content and section are correct before you copy the link. If the page requires a login or special access, remember that anyone you share the link with will need the same access to view it. Now look to the top right of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This is the More menu, and it's where Chrome keeps many common actions. If your window is very narrow, widen it or maximize the window so you can see all the options. When the menu opens, you'll notice items for settings, history, and more. From that menu, choose Share, then select Copy Link. Share opens a small panel with different ways to pass along the page. Copy link is the one that places the page's web address onto your clipboard. You may see a quick confirmation that it's copied. That's your sign that the exact URL for the page you're on has been captured and is ready to use. At this point, the link is stored on your device's clipboard, which just means it's temporarily saved so you can drop it into a message, an email, a chat, or a document. Because you use Share and Copy Link, you're getting the complete address Chrome recognizes for this page, which helps the recipient land in the right spot. If the page updates or moves, the link will lead to wherever that address points at the time someone opens it. If you don't see Share right away, make sure Chrome is up to date and that you've opened the menu from the top right dots within Chrome itself. That's all there is to it. Open Chrome, navigate to the page, click the three dots, and choose Share, then Copy Link. You now have a clean, ready-to-send link in just a few clicks.